Do you want to make your regular report quickly and accurately? What if I told you can do it and automatically? Let's see how you can do it.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Hello, welcome back. It's me, Ahmed Ali. I am a data analyst. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your sheet automatically for your regular reports. Just using copy and paste, you can take the new data and put it in input sheet. Through data, we making some query using Power Query. You can refresh it with the new data. So your report is finished now. And also you can take the new data and result and save it for the further work. If you want to create your reports and sheets, contact me in links below through LinkedIn and freelance. Keep in touch.